Today in the grain market, soybeans did firm up today. That hot and dry weather that's ahead, really is starting to, support the market somewhat. But clearly not before we did make a new low today. But the market did rebound and kind of came back some. I think the 30-cent range is just kind of a steady diet of that. The markets, as high as they are, these kind of movements, has the percentages very, very low. But we have to watch soybeans because we're going to be entering a critical growing stage for pod setting. So if we get more extended hot, dry weather, I think that the concerns are going to, really turn into, more positive prices. But at this point right now, we are up about 11 cents at one point. The CVOL was down, though, to 32.5%. Perhaps this little rebound today might add, just maybe strengthen some of that market. The implied volatility for September is a 29.9, and that's actually down from 31.3%. That's kind of significant overall. It just seems like the markets are just slowing down a little bit. And as we see that corn was mixed, of course, it's a new week and it's the same story. Hot weather is at the forefront right now. The trend for corn is sideways, however, and the market kind of ended a little bit firm with the CVOL down 0.8% to 36.6. That's a pretty far drop from the 50% that we were witnessing just a few weeks ago, but that's really during the height of the rally. SEPVOL right now is 33.8, and that's down from 36.7. So that's really a lot. So there's a big contraction there in the volatilities kind of across the board. Today, December in corn has a 32.3% volatility. While it is lower, this is extremely high in general historically for corn. So that's something to balance as you go forward. Now, wheat was lower again. The index funds did cut their longs. They actually cut the longs in corn and beans as well. But the futures drop is actually kind of a surprise because the weather situation is still really the same for wheat. The U.S. dollar is still kind of strong. Perhaps that's having an impact. And, you take a look at the wheat market right now, and we're down from 718 high, and today we got down to 665 low before the market rebounded a little bit. Now, the CVOL is down over 2% yet again in 2 days, now for 32.7%. And interestingly enough, it was up almost at 36% on Friday. So that's just something to be watching. It seems like the market seems to believe that the hot and dry precipitation is already digested in the market, and that's why you see traders just kind of, have their hands in their pockets just for now. But that's really what we have to start the week this week.